So you might be having an issue with your AirPods where for some reason one AirPod is only playing music and the other one is not playing music at all. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend doing though is making sure that both of your AirPods are charged up. Now, there are so many times where maybe you're using one AirPod at a time and then one AirPod completely dies out and you put in the other one and they just have uneven battery life. Now, if you took them out at the same time, then that's a different story. But if you are experiencing something like that, where you're using one AirPod more so than the other one, and then one AirPod dies and the other one is not, well, that is probably why you're having this issue. So make sure both AirPods are charged up, and that can usually fix the issue for majority of people out there. Now, let's say you do that and that's still not working. Well, the next thing you want to do is make sure that both of these AirPods, you want to make sure that there's nothing stuck in the cases at the bottom. A lot of the times, if you're having like an AirPod case like this, there can be some stuff that's stuck at the bottom. So all you want to do is make sure nothing is stuck at the bottom, make sure everything is kind of cleared out here. You can even grab like a cotton swab and clean out the little prongs at the bottom, because if something is stopping these things from charging at the bottom, well, that's going to basically mess up these AirPods and they're not going to be able to charge that way. Now, another thing, if it's still not working, you may just want to go ahead and try repairing your AirPods to your specific iPhone. So you can basically do this by making your way over to your AirPod settings or whatever from your iPhone. So you can go and see, like in this case, I'm not even connected. So all you want to do is just go and repair your AirPods. And you can do that by holding down the sync button at the back of your AirPod case, just like this. And then the white light on the front will basically start blinking, just like so. And once you go ahead and repair them, that can possibly fix the issue for the most part. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do in this situation. Now, if it's still not working, let's say you're still not able to play songs or anything like that, well, the other thing that can happen is sometimes these AirPods just need to have an update. Now, you can update these AirPods by basically going to your iPhone settings. If you have an Android, maybe it'll update with your Android software too, probably not. So what you want to do here is you want to scroll down into General, click on Software Update, and just go ahead and update your phone. As you update your phone, you'll also be able to update your software as well of your AirPods, and that's another thing you can probably try doing as well. If it's still not working, again, try repairing them, but also make sure that nothing is stopping these AirPods. Like, make sure there's nothing faulty or like you dropped them or something, because sometimes that can cause some issues too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.